వెల్కమ్ టు శిక్షా మ్యాథ్స్ అకాడమీ. నా ఛానల్ని ఫస్ట్ టైం విజిట్ చేసినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. ఓకే, ఆల్ స్టాండ్ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ పారాబోలా కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసి మనం అందులోనే సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చేసి ఫైండ్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ది పారాబోలా హూస్ యాక్సిస్ ఈస్ ప్యారలల్ టు y యాక్సిస్ అండ్ పాసింగ్ త్రూ హూస్ పాయింట్స్ ఆర్ 4,5, -2,11 and -4,21 ఇచ్చాడు. ఓకే, సీ హియర్. This is very important. Now dated syllabus 30% మనకి తీసేస్తే remaining that stand form of parabola. I gave you important questions. See that one. Okay, see that one. Stand form of parabola. Next parallel to x-axis, parallel to y-axis, and 1/8a into x1 minus x2 into x2 minus x3 into x3 minus x1. That three sums are very important after deleted syllabus. Okay, see here. ఫస్ట్ వన్ కంప్లీటెడ్ స్టాండ్ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ పారాబోలా చూడండి, ఏదైనా ఉంటే అది కూడా చూడండి వీడియో. ఓకేనా, నెక్స్ట్ సీ హియర్ ఫైండ్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ పారాబోలా హూస్ యాక్సిస్ ఈస్ ప్యారలల్ టు y యాక్సిస్. హూస్ యాక్సిస్ ప్యారలల్ టు y యాక్సిస్. పాయింట్స్ వచ్చేసి మనకి 4,5, -2,11 and -4,21. సో ప్యారలల్ టు y యాక్సిస్ ఈస్ ఫార్ములా ఈస్ y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. This is the formula. It's very important. Suppose in this question you are to given x-axis, what you have to take the formula? X is equal to ay square plus by plus c. Okay, remember this. Suppose in this question, suppose x-axis. So what you have to take here? X is equal to ay square plus by plus c. Again same process. Okay, now see here. So parallel to y-axis, y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. And suppose given x-axis in this question, you have to take x is equal to ay square plus by plus c in this place. Okay, again same process. See here, again circles. It passes through and this one same like that. Okay, 4,5, 4,5 in this equation passes through 4,5. First equation, 1 passes through 4,5. So 4, 5. In this x place I am writing 4 and this y place I am writing 5. So 5 is equal to, in this y place 5, in this x place 4. Okay, listen carefully. So 5 is equal to a into -4 whole square plus b into 4 plus c. So 5 is equal to 4 square 16 plus 4b plus c. Consider this is equation 2. Okay, next again take the second point, 2 -2 comma 11. So in this x place I am writing -2, in this y place I am writing 11. So 11 is equal to a into -2 whole square plus b into -2 plus c. Here -2 whole square, here square is there, so square plus minus it becomes plus. So plus 4a minus 2b plus c. That is third equation. Next -4 comma 21. This is fourth equation. After that now came to that 2 minus 3. Why? Because here cancellation for c, that's why you have to take 2 minus 3. So 2 minus 3, 16a plus 4b minus c is equal to 5, and third equation is 4a minus 2b plus c is equal to 11. So cancellation here 6 is taken as common LHS. 2a plus b is equal to -1. So form this line, 2a plus b plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, this is fifth equation. Next again 3 minus 4 for cancellation for c. That's why I have to take the 4. 3 minus 4. So 4a minus 2b plus c is equal to 11. So cancellation is 6a minus b is equal to -10. After cancellation 6a minus b minus 5 is equal to 0. Now solving 5 and 6 you will get ab values. After that you can find the c value also. Okay, so in this abc values you can substitute first equation. Okay, finish. Next step, see here. Solving, so you'll get 5 and 6 marks. So next solving 5 and 6 you'll get AB values. See here for solving crisscross cross product method. See here ABC values. See here first వచ్చేసి మనకి first you have to take B coefficient. First you have to take B coefficient 1. Again you have to take constant 1. Again you have to take A coefficient. Okay, again you have to take again by b coefficient. Okay, see the process. First you have to take b coefficient, after you have to take constant, after you have to take a coefficient, after again y coefficient or b coefficient. Okay, see this process. Here also same process. So a by 1 into -5 -5. So -1 into 1, minus into minus plus, in between minus is there, so minus into minus plus. Next by 6 plus 10, that is equal to minus 1 by minus 2 minus 6. Okay. See, you will get AB values. In this AB values, I am substituting here 4a minus 2b is plus c is equal to 11. So, we will get the c value. C is equal to 5. In this, all ABC values in this question from 1. Substitution from 1. From 1, y is equal to a. What is the a value? A is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 x square plus b value is minus 2. So minus 2x plus c is equal to 5. So take LCM 2. 2y is equal to x square minus 4x plus 10. So 2 5s are 2 2s are these two send this side. So 2y is equal to x square minus 4x plus 10 is 10. 2y send that side is equal to 0. Whatever, right? Okay, so both are same. So 2y, finally you will get 2y is equal to x square minus 4x plus 10. Okay, na? So suppose question, in this question we have to take x-axis, given x-axis you have to take, formula is parallel to x-axis is x is equal to ay square plus by plus c. You can solve that. Okay. Next is the next question. See the next question here. Prove that the area of the triangle inscribed in the parabola y square is equal to 4x. This is also very important. So see here solution. First, whatever the given marks. So given parabola equation is y square is equal to 4x. Okay. Here now I am taking a x1 y1, b x2 y2, c x3 y3. Okay, these are consideration points. Next, so what is the given value here? Y square is equal to 4x. So y1 square is equal to 4x1. Can I write in this y place and y1, x place in this x1? This can be written as, now I am taking x1 value. x1 is equal to y1 square by 4a. Can I write? So from this y square is equal to 4a. So y1 square is equal to 4x1. So now I am taking x1 value. So x1 is equal to y1 square by 4a. Okay now. So this 4a send this side, y1 square by 4a. Okay. Similarly, x2 is equal to, x2 is equal to y2 square by 4a and x3 is equal to y3 square by 4a. Okay. Now area of the triangle. Okay, in this x1, so what you will get? x1, x2, x3. In this x1, x2, x3 values I am substituting here. A point is x1 y1, b point is x2 y2, c point is x3 y3. No, so in this x1, x2, x3 place I am substituting these values. y1 square by 4a, y2 square by 4a, y3 square by 4a. Can I write? Now a point y1 square by 4a, comma y1, and b point is y2 square by 4a, comma y2, and c point is y3 square by 4a, comma y3. Okay. After this, I have to take the formula. Area of the triangle formula. So half into modulus of x1 minus x2, y1 minus y2, x2 minus x3, y2 minus y3. Okay, in this formula you have to take now x1 x2 y1 y2. In this place I am substituting x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. Okay. The continuation. So what is the formula? Half into modulus of x1 minus x2, y1 minus y2, x2 minus x3, y2 minus y3. So this is the substitution, half into x1 value. So x1 value is y1 square by 4a, y1, and x2 value is y1. This substitution. Now simplification half into, see here, y1 square by 4a and y3 square by 4a, x1 y1 x2 y2. Okay. See here. Now y1 square by y2 square by 4a. Next y2 square minus y3 square by 4a. Here y1 minus y2 minus y3, that is equal to half into, see here, 1 by 4a, 1 by 4a, and take outside 1 by 4a, that is equal to y1 square minus y2 square by y1 minus y2 square minus y3 square into and y2 minus y3, that is equal to 1 by 8a. See here, is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Okay now, so y1 plus y2 into y1 minus y2, this side y1 minus y2 write as it is, and y2 plus y3 and y2 minus y3 here 1 by 8a. See here, y1 minus y2, y1 minus y2 minus y3, y2 minus y3 taken as outside. From first column y2 minus from first row y1 minus y2 is taken as common. From second row y2 minus y3 is taken as common. So y1 minus y2 and y2 minus y3. So what is the remaining part? y1 plus y2, y1 plus y2, here 1, here y2 plus y3, here 1. Okay, that is equal to 1 by 8a into y1 minus y2, y2 minus y3, that find out. So y1 plus y2 minus y2 minus y3, so gets cancelled, that is equal to 1 by 8a into, write the last line, y1 minus y2, y2 minus y3, y3 minus y1. Okay, these are the very important sums. Okay, so this year parabola 2021, these three sums are very important. In these sums you will get one sum. Part 1, stand form of parabola. In these two sums, x-axis, y-axis, and 1 by 8a into x1 minus x2. Okay, more concentrate on these three sums. Okay, if you like the video, like, share and subscribe.